Hi guys, welcome back to Stuffy Crates. Today we are making a little Halloween scene. I found this at Michael's and I thought it was really cool. And I found this at Michael's as well. I didn't realize it was damaged. It's missing that, but that's okay. We're gonna use it. So anyway, we're gonna put this in the scene. So enjoy the time lapse of me putting this together. Right, there's my finished scene from above. Let me show you from forwards.